Unsalted once again. Today we're making puff pastry. Yeah, this pastry is a very delicious, buttery, flaky pastry. So we start by putting our flour and a salt inside a bowl and we mix them together. Next we add in some unsalted butter and we'll rub this in until the mixture is crumb-like in texture. That is, it looks like breadcrumbs. While rubbing in this butter, remember that it still needs to be seen in chunks. It doesn't have to disappear totally inside. Next we go in with our cold water. I said cold water. Next we mix this until it comes together, and then we wrap it in a cling film and put in the refrigerator to chill before we start working on the dough. At this point it is out from the refrigerator and chilled. Now we need to start rolling out and working on it properly. So we start rolling it out, and now you can see those chunks of butter on it. As we roll, we're spreading them, and then you fold it into three, then roll again, fold, roll again. I repeated this process for about 3 times. The reason why we go on with this folding and rolling is to build those beautiful layers you see on it. Yes, the beautiful layers you see. After this has been mixed, all rolled out properly, we now trim the edges. So I trimmed both edges. Now the 4 edges, I trimmed them and then I cut it into my desired shape. So you can see those beautiful layers. That is what I'm trying to show you here. Yeah, those beautiful layers. And now I'm cutting this dough. After cutting this dough, we won't just bake them immediately. We need to wash them before baking. Now the reason for washing, you all know, is to give it that, that shiny look on top. So that is why we're going with the washing. Now this pastry is one to die for. If you ever taste this, you would want to bake this every day. This is something to die for. Now the egg wash, for the egg wash I'll be going with some egg and a little milk. Yes, and then I will whisk it and rub it in through on the whole dough that is lying there. And next I'll bake this in the oven. You bake until it is golden brown. I used 160 degrees Celsius, that is for the temperature, and I baked for about 30-35 minutes. This is it. So see those beautiful layers here. You see the crusty top and the shiny top. This pastry is something that melts in your mouth the moment you just bite into it. I will be doing a kind of buttercream filling on top of it. Yeah, I just want it to look beautiful. Sorry I didn't show you the process of making the buttercream icing. Next time I'm going to show you that video. And I'm piping this on top of the puff pastry. And I'll throw in some sprinkles, to add color to this. And that is just it. The puff pastry is ready to be eaten. Please, if you watched to this point, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Bye!